Colin here with Max Tie Downs to bring you, I believe, the final segment in the build out of the Max 360. As you remember, we debuted the Max 360 at the Barrett-Jackson car auction last January. Well, we're fixing to head off to sunny Scottsdale, Arizona, where hopefully none of this white stuff will be present. We've just finally completed the last remaining aspect of this build, and that is to install this tarp system that Chameleon Tarps out of Canada produced for us. Their website, rollingtarps.com. This enables us to cover the load to keep it almost weather tight as we travel from show to show, and when we arrive at our destination, to simply be able to roll the tarp system back to reveal the Max 360 beneath it. Greatly saves on all of the logistics involved, the setup, teardown time. It's a wonderful addition to the Max 360. Let me show you just how easily this works. There's a cam over system on the front and a series of bows that runs the full length. The tarp then travels in this aluminum extrusion that we've mounted to the side of this load trail trailer, and it's simply as easy as me in the snow and ice pushing this back to reveal the Max 360 hidden behind it. Great addition to the trailer, and especially in inclement weather, keeps everything at least clean, not so much dry and warm, but clean as we travel. That's very important. We don't have to do a full detail upon reaching our destination. You can see how easily that just slides shut. Great combination of an open deck trailer, yet the benefits almost entirely of an enclosed trailer as well. For more information on the products that Chameleon Tarps produces, check them out at rollingtarps.com. And of course, for more information on the best tie downs on the planet, maxtiedowns.com. Or give us a call, 800-666-1586.